We are going to be unboxing this package that I got from Temu. This is so small. What is it? Yeah! Okay, so I thought this was going to be bigger. This is exactly what I ordered. Okay, let's do this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, best channel in the world. Welcome back to a Phayte Effects. So guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing this package that I got from Temu, Temu. I had one experience with them before. We're not going to talk about it today, but I believe that these ones that I have gotten today, this package, everything I ordered is going to be what I got in the name of Jesus. Amen. So my mom has been telling me, in fact everybody at home has been telling me that, girl, this your Temu package is going to be something else. Because guys, does this look like 8 items? 8. If I look at this, they said something poured on it. I ordered a lot of things that we're going to see today, and we're going to be rating it. I'm going to put in the pictures of what I ordered, and then we're going to see if it is related to what I got. If you know you're ready for this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, make sure you like, make sure you drop a comment below in the comment section telling me if you have tried Temu before. Have you tried Temu? Have you ordered things from Temu? And what was your experience? And let's see if we're going to be team mommy that said, you know, the Temu package is not going to go well, or if you're going to be team Phayte and you believe, you know, you have faith in Temu that everything that I ordered is going to be what I got. So let's get straight into this nice video. So I got scissors for us to unbox. So I don't want to mistakenly cut the package. Drum roll, please. Oh my god. Okay, so first item. Oh my gosh. So guys, I ordered 2 bags from Temu. Ooh, this is bag number 1. Yo, this is exactly what I ordered. Is it? I think I should go and check. Oh, but it looks so good and it's small, it's cute. It's a small purse. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but yo, it looks really good, sir. So there's something I did on Temu, like I typed in Korean fashion. You guys know I'm a K-drama girly. Let me come closer. You know I'm a K-drama girly and I've been watching a lot of K-dramas. So guys, this is a what are we rating this? I'm going to give my rating and then you give your rating in the comment section. So I'm going to rate this let's say an 8. I'm gonna rate it an 8. It looks really good. Item number, what's this? Ooh, yo, this is item number 2. This is an earring. I think it's a bow tie earring. Oh my, it looks so good, guys. Look at it. This is gonna look so good. Like, imagine I have like a really nice outfit, you know, maybe like a dress, and I'm just gonna put this on top. I'm gonna rate this a 10 because it's exactly what I ordered. I'm going to be putting the picture of what I ordered there beside it so that you guys can see it. So far so good. Next. Okay, so I got this. This is number 2. This is set of eye pencils. Ooh, and how many is it? I think it's 12. It's waterproof. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm going to try this. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Let me see. Oh wow, this is going to last. When I mean last, because I want to try and up my makeup game. So guys, look at this. This is 12 eye pencils and they said it's waterproof. I can't wait to try it. I don't even know what I'm going to rate it. I think I'm going to just rate this one a 9 over 10 because, like, yeah, it's exactly what I ordered and it's going to last. Like, I expect this to finish in a year. Next, Listen be this. This is supposed to, well, it looks bigger. This is a lipstick. Yo, I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. I don't even know how else is a lipstick going to look like. But as I said, it was Korean fashion that yo, this is so small. This is so small. What is this? This is me. Yo. Oh, it sounds nice. But this is mini. God, this is going to finish like in a week because I'm always doing makeup. Can you see this? This is so small. Oh. Well, I'm going to do like a separate video on, we're going to try it. We're going to try the lipstick with this one. I'm going to rate this an 8 because I thought it was going to be bigger than this. So I'm going to rate this an 8. Next on our list. Yeah, I told you guys I ordered 2 bags. This is the second one. It's 4. Let's see. Gosh. Wait, I should not be sharing it with me. Oh my gosh! Guys, look at this. This is lovely. This is exactly what I ordered. What? It is so. Oh my gosh! Like the feel of the bag. Although it's looking like a shedding. But who cares? Avek. Oh, and see, it has hands. Oh my gosh, guys, the inside of the bag. Look at this, guys. I am going to rock this. First off, I love the color. It had different colors when I saw it on Temu. It's just like a mini. This is 100. I'll give it 100. As I said, guys, like the secret is putting Korean fashion. If you're into Korean fashion, like they have mad stuffs. Yo, this is so lovely, guys. This is lovely. This is a 10 over 10. Okay, so far so good. Everything has been going well. Okay, listen with this. Okay, so this is vine lines for my room. So I said I just want to do, some setup, a little setup in my room because, I've just been looking at my room these days. Since I've been in school, so I've not really had time to take care of my room. So I just said, so now this is like a vine and it has lights. Okay, so I can just put it anywhere. I'm just thinking of starting like a new series of just like remodeling my room. You guys know, like there was a time I was a DIY girly and I want to go back to that time, guys. Like I really do want to go back to being a DIY, girly. So I'm going to figure this out later, but I'll see whether it will shine. I'm going to figure this out later. So, but for now, I'll just give this. I don't know how long it is first, so we'll just give this like a 6 over 10. So next, okay. So I thought this was going to be bigger. This is basically, see what it's looking like. But this, guys, was supposed to be it is supposed to be a jewelry stand, so that I can just put it back there. I don't know if you guys can see my stand over there. So this is how it looks good. How they say they do. Okay. Oh, see it. But yo, I thought it was gonna be bigger. It looked big. It looked bigger when I saw it on Temu, but oh well. So how it is like my what do you call it? My rings and my bracelets. I'll just put them here, and then here my chains and everything. I'll just hang it and put it there. So my next video, you are going to see at my background, but it looks good, and it's plastic. But who am I to complain? It's cheap. Next on our list, so I'm gonna rate this I'll say an 8 over 10 because it's small. Next on our list, this is a set of earrings, guys. As I said, this adulthood, I have decided to invest because I just noticed that instead of me to invest in really nice things, I would just be buying shawarma. So I now told myself, Phayte, the money you're gonna use to be buying shawarma, using it to be ordering things on where? On Temu. And everybody said don't do it, don't do it. But this is lovely, guys. This is a set of earrings, and all of them were really affordable. So I'm really happy that they are really, gosh, guys. Do you know how my earring game is gonna change? This is a 10 over 10. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 pairs of earrings. I can't wait to start rocking my earrings. And that is it. That is everything. So guys, that's it from my Temu. So far so good. This bag is lovely. Hey. So far so good, guys. Like, everything that I ordered from Temu is exactly what I got, although there were some things that were kind of small, like this one and this one, but the rest, everything was definitely what I ordered. Even this bag set came out really well. I have another Temu package that is supposed to arrive, and all these things, they are arriving the same time, and it's now as if I just, you know, went on a shopping spree. But it did not work that way. Like, I ordered it at different points in March, so everything is just coming in April now, and it's a lot. So I also have I have a package from Jumia, and I'm going to be unboxing that in my next video, or anytime you guys see, but I'm going to be unboxing that. So guys, what do you think about today's video? Are you going to order things from Temu, or you are still scared of ordering things from Temu? But guys, I love everything that I got. I'm definitely going to be ordering again, but one thing that I would advise is, whatever you're ordering, make sure you read the description very well before you press that send. You know, before you press that pay, before you pay for anything, read the description. And guys, I actually love everything that I got. I don't know if I should put the link of where I got them from, or I don't know. If you guys need it, you can just tell me in the comment section and I will get it for you. But I can't wait to rock this. Oof. I am gonna be outside. And before we leave, guys, one word for my hair. As you can see, my hair is growing. My hair is growing, and the secret to my hair growing is our new Phayte Effects hair oil. So in case if you haven't gotten the memo, guys, we have added a new hair oil to our collection. It is behind me. Hold on. So this is it. So this is my bottle, and it's almost finished, but this is our Phayte Effects 3-in-1 oil, and it has fenugreek, cloves, rosemary, peppermint in it. This is our 3-in-1 hair booster. As you can see, it has been growing my hair. I can't wait to give you guys the updates and post about it really soon. So anyway, for my WhatsApp people, my Snapchat people have been placing their orders, so I just decided to add this is a soft launch on YouTube. So I'm gonna tell you guys more about it in another video. I love you guys. I will see you guys next time on Phayte Effects, on my next YouTube video. I love you. Bye. Stay jiggy. Love you guys. Bye. Guys, this is where I put the vines. As you can see, the one I showed you guys before, this is certainly a 10 over 10. I wish I had bought more. I've just used it row by row. I might do that.